The next topic that you need to learn is the forest transformation in Java. Java is a place in Indonesia where the Dutch first of all started with the forest management. As far as Java is concerned, they had a community called Kalangs who were an expert forest cutters. They were indispensable for the country. It is said that when the Mataram kingdom split into two, the forest community, that is the Kalangs, were counted and then divided or got split accordingly. Now, when the Dutch tried that the Kalangs should work under them, the Kalangs resisted. And the first resistance that they showed was in the year 1770, when at Jona they attacked a Dutch fort. But of course, the rebellion was suppressed. The Dutch started with scientific forestry here, and you already know what a scientific forestry is. And of course, because of this, the people were not allowed entry into the villages, into the forest. They had a restricted entry. They could not fell trees, and trees or timber was meant for specific purposes, shipbuilding and railways, the same as it had happened in India. So, we see that here they also started with another system which was called as the Blandogustan system. According to the Blandogustan system, first of all, rents were imposed on the places or areas where cultivation was done. That is, the land cultivated area, there the rents were imposed. Exemption was allowed on rents if the villagers decided to provide free labor and buffaloes for cutting and transporting timber. So, same as we had seen in India, where they had made what? They had made certain villages called as the forest villages. So, here also the exemption was given if you gave help in the form of buffaloes or labor. So, this was the impact of the forestry or the scientific forestry that the Dutch started in the place called Java in Indonesia. I talk about the remaining chapter in the next clipping.